Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Today is a Friday. I don't know what I was going to say there, but it is almost the weekend. And remember, you don't have school on Monday for Memorial Day. So hopefully, you can use that time to catch up on school stuff, but more importantly, spend time with your family or virtually with your friends, hopefully. And yeah, if you get bored, work on your summative because it's due. You have all of next week and the following week to finish it. So I know it seems like a lot this week, but you have time, and there's not going to be anything new besides just working on that and me explaining what is expected for that. So same with today. There's nothing new for assignments except for a discussion and then some more information on the summative and completing the work from earlier this week. So your learning objective is I can catch up on work from this week and explain what the Northview Renaissance summative is. I said yesterday a little bit about how I know it's a lot more difficult to explain what this is all about online than it is in person. And it's just a lot of stuff that we haven't done before, so I'm hoping it's going okay. Some of you have reached out saying you're confused, and I've been able to help with that. So that's great. If you are confused, just please let me know. Otherwise, I can't do anything to help. All right. So watch this video first, then complete this Friday discussion. 2 questions today. Hopefully, it'll start some more arguments like the soup cereal one. So first question is, what is your favorite platform to listen to music on or your favorite platform to watch things on? So if this was a suggested one from a student, which is cool. I love when you guys do that. A few options or just whatever your favorite one is and why. And then this is the one that'll probably start some fights. Is a hot dog a sandwich? Why or why not? Think about that one. Don't just answer out of rage and emotion. Think about if it actually is. Then you're going to not complete, you're just going to work on looking through these 2 options. I made a slides for each option more specifically now. So you know you have 2 options. You can create your own artwork or a research presentation. This explains in a lot of detail about what that will be. Today you're just going to look through them, and then next week you're going to actually work on these. Okay? So the important thing for today is making sure you have all 3 research reflections done and that you have copied and pasted your 3 sources from the 3 people you looked up on yesterday's assignment. There's a link here again to yesterday's assignment. This one was a little more work because you had to go through and find your sources and link them in here. And so I'm going to give you another day to do that. Not many of you have finished that. Make sure you have 3 different people, and each one needs 3 sources. So I know that's a lot. That's why I'm giving you an extra day. Yeah, so you can, let's just, for example, let's say you did Tupac, LeBron James, and like a musician, or I did a musician, right? Maybe Maya Angelou, although you can't do that. So how about Muhammad Ali? So those are the 3 you're doing. You need to have 3 people like that. You can't do Maya Angelou, Tupac, and Langston Hughes or something. You need to have 2 of the people need to be your own research. Okay? All right. And yesterday's video explained how to copy and paste links into your slides if you were stuck on that. So I'm going to go through these today and leave you feedback and make sure you all did what you're supposed to be doing. And yeah. So I think that's pretty much it. Please join my office hours today if you need anything. I'm here to help you with the summative. I don't want you to feel confused. If you're confused and don't tell me, then I can't do anything to help. And I want to help you. All right. So I'll just really quickly show you each option here. So they both have a link. Brings you right to the slides presentation, hopefully. So your first option is creating your own artwork, the Northview Renaissance. So what can we learn about people in our country's history that prepares us for bettering our country's future? So you're taking inspiration from somebody and creating a piece of artwork. Artwork is very broad. It can mean a lot of different things. Here's the rubric. I'll go over more detail on this in a separate video that I'll be posting, but you can look through this. These are examples of poetry you can use because we didn't really teach poetry. So you're kind of just basing your poetry on other people's poetry and then these examples. Here's a found poem help. I'm going to go over more detail on that in a separate video, but you can look at that. This is the same thing you did yesterday, but you need to do it again for your final person. There's a video here to help with that. 3 sources. Then rating how this person inspires you and what you're planning to do for your artwork. 5 to 7 sentences. This will be your actual summative. You're not going to do it today, but this is part of it for next week. And then creating your actual artwork. This could look a lot of different ways. It could be a drawing, a poem, a spoken word, something like that. But if you do it on paper, you can do that, but take pictures of it and upload it. You have all of next week, so don't stress. I'll go over more detail. I'm just showing you really quickly. The other option is the research presentation, which will also have a video explaining in more detail what to do. So this is the rubric for this. You can pick one person. You still need 3 sources, the same kind of thing. There's 2 options for how you can do this. You can do it in a Google Slides format like this, or on canva.com. And I'll have info on this in a different video, but it's just a different way you can make your presentation. Then it describes what you need in each slide for your presentation. It's only 4 slides total if you do the research presentation. So yeah, I'm not going to talk about it too much, like I said. But look later, either today or this weekend, and I'll have videos on what to do. My goal for all of us today is that you finish your research and ask any questions so that starting next week, you're just like ready to go. You know what you're going to do. You have a week and a half to do it, and there's no stress because it's going to be spaced out. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and just please email me, contact me, let me know what you're confused on. I know it's difficult to learn about this stuff online, but we're doing it together. All right, I'll be active in the discussion post and office hours and everything, so I'll be around. Okay, bye everybody. Have a great weekend if I don't talk to you.